Hello fellow steamers and machinists now. This is my South Bend 9-inch lathe model A, and just got done. I'm not going to say I restored it, but I took it all apart, cleaned it, put new felts in it, and repainted it. It came really true. I looked 6 months to find this nice South Bend Model A, and I found a really good one. And so it was worthy of taking right down to the last nut and bolt and working on it. We've got some good taggage here from my label maker, Kramer Creations in Greensburg, Indiana. And I really like his work. He does good work. Let's fire this bad boy up. This has a cross feed and a longitudinal feed. And I installed a tachometer or RPM gauge on it. The gearbox is as clean as a whistle. It's all been disassembled, taken apart. The teeth, every gear in it was almost pristine, like in very good shape. And, I'd like to thank Rich. He went up to, I think it was Eaton, Michigan. Above Detroit, I know that. And I put a quick change gearbox on it. And you can see that everything works well. And these little caps here, got that off eBay. It's 7/8, but you can probably 15/16. Let me show you what they look like. These are the deals right here. Got like 6 of them for a few bucks. And I just thought that capped it off real well. Speaking of fun. And if you crank that in, of course the power cross feed operates. It's very tight. And we have a thread dialer. Everything has been taken apart on this machine and cleaned. Like I say, new felts all the way around. Let's see, this is 400. It's hard to do this one-handed, but we're going to give it a shot. 1200, 28. Probably should have went in order. 400, 1200. So it's 4, 7, and 1200. Not 4, yeah, 7. And of course this has reverse. Now power into the reverse, kind of easy. And of course, very happy with it now. It's a ton of work. I'm going to take you over here and show you how many cans of cleaner it took. I really need a parts bin. There's all the cans at $3 a can. And as you can see, it has its little brother right here, South Bend 9-inch Model C. That's the one I did most of my work for the last 12 or 14 years up till now. I wanted to take a chance or opportunity and film this beauty. She's a 3-footer, and I'll show you how I did the tachometer. Right there, I took this keeper off of there, this nut. You've got to take those two off. You got to take that loose. You got to take that loose, and you have to drop it down, and then get these two out of the way, and then you can undo that. Take that nut off and put it in the middle, and I put a little flat on it for the Hall Sense magnet, and you can see there's my setup. Right there. Goes right into the back of the box there. Put an on-off switch so it's not on all the time. And Bob's your uncle. Really works a treat, and I'm very happy with this setup. Maybe I'll put variable speed on it. Let's put it in the back here and see what that does. There we go. Thanks for looking, folks. Hope you enjoyed it. My South Bend 9-inch Model A. Bye now.